Have you ever heard a rumor about yourself? Maybe something completely untrue, but suddenly everyone believes it. Today, I want to tell you about the time office gossip almost destroyed my friendship. And honestly, I almost quit my job because of it. Let's begin. When I started my new job, I didn't know anyone. Everything felt awkward. New coworkers, new responsibilities, new routines. Then I met David. David sat next to me. He was funny, helpful, easy to talk to. Soon, we started eating lunch together. We worked on projects together. Sometimes we even complained about work together. After a few months, everyone knew Emma and David were good friends, and honestly, work became much easier. Until one Monday morning, everything changed. I walked into the office. Something felt strange. People looked at me, then quickly looked away. At lunch, nobody invited me. David barely spoke. I thought, did I do something wrong? Around 3 p.m., I went to get coffee. Then I heard something. Two coworkers were whispering. One said, "I can't believe Emma said that about David." I stopped walking. My heart started beating faster. What did I say? I never said anything. Later that day, I finally asked David, "Are you upset with me?" He looked uncomfortable. Then he said, "People told me you said I'm lazy." I was shocked. What? I never said that. David looked confused, but multiple people told me. Suddenly, everything made sense. Someone started a rumor, and now everyone believed it. I felt angry, embarrassed, frustrated. Mostly, I felt sad because I thought I was losing my friend. The next morning, I decided no more guessing, no more silence. I talked directly to people. Eventually, one coworker admitted, "I think I misunderstood something." A few weeks earlier, during lunch, I said, "David looks tired lately." Somehow, that became, "David is lazy." One sentence, completely changed, completely twisted, and then everyone repeated it. Later, I sat down with David. We talked honestly. I explained everything. David laughed, then said, "So this whole drama started because of one sentence?" I nodded. We both laughed, but honestly, it wasn't funny before. That experience taught me something important. At work, communication matters. Assumptions are dangerous, and rumors spread faster than facts. Today, David is still one of my best friends. But now, if something feels wrong, I ask immediately. Listening practice. Repeat after me. Something felt strange. I never said that. People believed the rumor. We talked honestly. Assumptions are dangerous. Shadowing practice. Listen and repeat. One misunderstanding created a huge problem. Rumors can damage relationships. Communication solves problems. Always ask before assuming. Outro. Have you ever experienced office drama? Maybe something similar happened to you. If yes, you're definitely not alone. See you in the next story.